Guys, sorry about that. So comment if you want to get a shout out, and please sub. It really helps me, guys. And comment what video you want. This is part 2, by the way. Sorry, I stopped filming for a bit. Anyway, here's Mimis. This is my cat, Mimis. Chases off the cat. No. Oh God. Oh my God. I kind of knew she was going to do that. She's angry. Meow. Oh. No. Hi. That's just Tessa.
I'm a Barbie doll.
Oh. Meow. You didn't have to do that, baby. Anyway, guys. That is my cat's face reveal. She's called Mia. She's the best. She's the cutest. She's not in the best mood right now. Anyways, guys, that is Mia. She's very cute. I hope you liked seeing Mia. Comment what you think of her. Comment what you think of her, guys. Oops, sorry. Comment what you think of her. And by the way, about the wound I got, it's healed up now, and it was much worse before. But here it is. Oh, we'll do Snapchat after. Wait, look at this, guys. That's the wound.
Wait, actually film me on Snap.
Alright, we're going to do some Snapchat. I don't know, this is random. Wait.
I'm going to be Lady Gaga. I'm going to be Monkey.
That's cute, guys. Alright, thanks for watching my cat's face reveal. Bye! Please sub. I love you guys so much.